the DJI Mini 5 Pro. And trust me, the leaks coming out about this beast for 2026 are absolutely insane. If you're a drone enthusiast, a filmmaker on the go, or just someone who loves cutting-edge gadgets, you're in for a treat. Stick around because by the end of this you'll be itching to get your hands on one. And I'll reveal some hidden gems that no one else is talking about yet. Let's jump right in. Picture this. You're out in the wilderness, capturing stunning aerial footage that looks like it came straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. All from a drone that fits in your pocket and weighs less than a can of soda. That's the promise of the DJI Mini series. And the Mini 5 Pro is set to take it to a whole new level. But before we get into the juicy leaks, let's rewind a bit and see how we got here. DJI has been dominating the drone market for years. Starting with the original Mini that revolutionized lightweight flying. It was under 250 grams, no FAA registration needed for recreational use in the US, and it packed a punch with its camera. Then came the Mini 2, adding 4K video and better wind resistance. The Mini 3 Pro brought obstacle avoidance and a rotating gimbal. And the Mini 4 Pro, that one-upped the ante with improved transmission and smarter flight modes. Each iteration builds on the last, making drones more accessible, more powerful, and more fun. But the Mini 5 Pro, oh man, the leaks suggest it's not just an upgrade. It's a game changer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Are these leaks real? Where are they coming from? Great question. Leaks have been popping up from reliable sources like DroneXL, TechRadar, and even some insider posts on Reddit and YouTube channels dedicated to DJI. We're talking about blurry photos from supply chains, FCC filings, and even teaser videos that DJI accidentally let slip. One leaker, Jasper Ellens, has been spot on with past predictions, and he's dropping bombshells about the Mini 5 Pro. And get this, even though it's early 2026 now, these leaks point to enhancements and possible firmware updates that could roll out this year, keeping the drone fresh. But hold on, because if you leave now, you'll miss the part where I break down how this drone could change your content creation forever. Let's start with the heart of any drone, the camera. The leaks are screaming about a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yeah, you heard that right. That's the same size sensor you find in high-end compact cameras like the Sony RX100 series. We're talking 50 megapixels for stills, which means razor-sharp images with incredible detail. Imagine zooming in on a landscape photo and seeing every leaf on a tree miles away. For video, 4K at 60 frames per second in HDR, with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. That means your footage will handle bright skies and dark shadows like a pro. No more washed-out highlights or crushed blacks. And slow-motion fans, rejoice, 4K at 120 frames per second. Slow down that epic wave crash or a bird in flight, and it'll look buttery smooth. The lens, a 24mm equivalent with an f/1.8 aperture. Low light performance is going to be next level. Think nighttime cityscapes or dawn patrols where the drone captures colors and details you didn't even know were there. But wait, there's a twist, rumors of a medium telephoto option at 48mm. Dual lenses? Or a zoom feature? The leaks are hazy, but if true, it's a first for the Mini line. Now, let's talk flight smarts because safety and ease of use are huge for US flyers dealing with FAA rules. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing is confirmed in the leaks. And get this, LiDAR technology. That's laser-based sensing, folks, the kind you see in self-driving cars. It means the drone can detect obstacles in all directions, even in low light or complex environments like forests or urban areas. No more accidental crashes into trees or power lines. Pair that with upgraded active track and this thing will follow you on a bike ride, a hike, or even while skiing, dodging obstacles autonomously. Flight time? Leaks point to up to 52 minutes on a single battery. That's insane for a sub-250G drone. How? Improved battery efficiency and aerodynamics, apparently using the same batteries as the Mini 3 and 4 Pro, but squeezing more juice out of them. And transmission? Okay, think 4+4 rock-solid 1080p live feed up to 20 kilometers. In the US with our wide-open spaces, that means you can fly farther without losing signal. Perfect for those epic national park shots. But here's where it gets really exciting, the gimbal. Leaks show a 330-degree rotation, way more than the previous 90 degrees. That means vertical shooting for social media without cropping, and smoother panning for cinematic reveals. Imagine orbiting a subject with fluid motion that rivals bigger drones like the Mavic series. And there's a secret button rumored for quick launch without the controller. Just press it on the drone and it's airborne. Perfect for those spontaneous moments when you don't want to fumble with your phone or remote. Let's pause for a second and think about what this means for you. If you're a real estate agent in Texas, this drone could give you per-level property tours without hiring a crew. Vloggers in California, capture beach sunsets in stunning detail. Hobbyists in New York, fly over Central Park with confidence, knowing the obstacle avoidance has your back. But don't go anywhere yet.